Hello. Today we have a brief demonstration of Acumatica dashboards. Today we're logged in as Michael Andrews, and he has a default login screen that's called the controller dashboard. Each time he logs in or hits his home button, this is the screen that he'll see. This is one of many default dashboards that come with Acumatica. All the data we see is real time and will be refreshed when the dashboard is opened and also on a standard schedule. When any of the underlying data is updated, the changes will be shown on their respective widget. Our view of this data is always up to date. We see many different types of widgets on this dashboard. We see what are called KPI indicators. We see pie charts. We see bar charts and line charts, as well as we could also show data tables and data pivot tables as a result of the data. The real power of these dashboards is the ability to drill down and see the detailed information summarized by the widget. For example, let's take a look at our AR aging here in a pie chart. We have the purple is our over 90 and the blue is our 61 to 90. If we go ahead and click in the over 90 section, we open up a list of all of the invoices that make up that section of the pie. And we can then, on this list, we could filter this list, we could sort this list, and review all of the details within this list. If we happen to see an invoice that we're interested in, we can go ahead and click on this invoice. We see this one for Elevation Computers, and it has a fairly large open balance on it. So let's go ahead and click on our side panel. And our side panel will show us all of the details of this invoice. Here we can see the date of the invoice, we can see the due date, we can see the description of the order, and we can see the details of the line details on that invoice. If we're interested in maybe creating a task for someone to review this invoice, we can go ahead and open the invoice. And on the Activities tab, we can add a task. And let's say we want to assign that task to our sales manager, Michael. And we're going to give this task a brief summary of, please review this past due invoice. Save that. And now that is part of Michael's task list. So you can see we've gone from a very large overview of some of the AR and AP data here on this controller dashboard. And we were able to drill down all the way to the invoice and create a task for one of our employees to check on the status of a past due invoice. That's the end of our demo. Thank you very much.